Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Do you want to unlock all the smart features of your Garmin device, including instant data syncing and receiving notifications directly on your wrist? Connecting your Garmin to your smartphone is quick, simple, and essential for getting the most out of your technology. This straightforward guide will show you exactly how to pair your 2025 Garmin model with your phone, ensuring a smooth and successful connection every time. Let's get started. Before initiating the connection, a few quick checks will ensure everything goes smoothly. First, make sure both your Garmin device and your smartphone are sufficiently charged, ideally above 50%, to prevent any power interruptions. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone settings. Finally, download and install the official Garmin Connect app onto your smartphone from its respective app store. This is crucial for managing your device. With your preparations complete, it's time to start the actual pairing process. On your Garmin device, navigate to the Settings menu and select Phone or Pair Phone to enable its pairing mode. Then open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone, tap the three lines or dots for the menu, and choose Garmin Devices. Then Add Device. The app will begin searching for nearby Garmin units. As your phone finds your Garmin, a unique 6-digit pairing code will display on both your device screen and your phone. Carefully compare these two codes to ensure they match exactly, then tap Pair or Yes on your phone. If prompted, enter the numeric code into your smartphone to confirm the connection. Your Garmin will then indicate a successful pairing, and the initial data sync will begin automatically, establishing your link. If you encounter any issues during pairing, don't worry. A quick restart of both your phone and Garmin often resolves most problems. You can also try disabling and re-enabling Bluetooth on your phone. Once successfully connected, you'll benefit from automatic activity uploads, smart notifications for calls and texts, and the ability to customize your device settings directly from the app. This connection truly elevates your Garmin experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.